Hello everyone, this is Chris537 with you today. I'm going to show you how to download a file off the Anarchy Underground. We are going to do it with our lovely Novaterm 9.6c. To do it the correct way, I would recommend to go under your configuration mode. Your protocol, you're going to want to have it under punter. Now there is the multi-punter and all these other ways you can download. Multi-punter does not work too well with the Teo 3.3.6 version of CBase. So I would recommend doing it file by file, which kind of sucks, but just write it down on a piece of paper and get each individual file at a time, and you're guaranteed to have working files. And the multi-punter, it usually will crash on the first file where it'll lock up, and then you do your, Control X, and then it'll go to the second file and work for the rest, but it's a pain in the ass. So let's give it a shot here. We're going to log in to the Anarchy Underground. And this is what you would want to type: ATDT aubbs.zap2.org:23. Alright, we're going to hit our backspace for our color, graphics mode. Log in under our new user account that we made. And voila, we're in. On my bulletin board, I got it set as unlimited credits. So if you are a fresh new user, you need to download a terminal program. As long as you got access and I validate you, which usually takes a day, you'll be good to go for leeching all you want. So the question mark is for the main menu. The upload downloads is the letter U. So we're going to select that. It will be as a hotkey on the main menu. All the other menus, after you get out of the main menu, you will have to hit the enter/return key to activate it. I'm going to download a game on a different single file game. So if you want to list the directories I have available, you can hit question mark to bring up the main menu. And it just says X on there, go to directory, which X is actually a number that you have to physically type in. So we're going to hit L for list our directories. I got all these for you guys to get software from, which is a lot of cool stuff. We're going to go to single file games, R through Z, which is number 3. So to switch into that area, you just simply hit the number 3 and hit enter. Okay. Now in our main menu, it's just like the good old Commodore. If you want to list your files, you just simply hit $. If you want to list a file, say past file number 20, you can hit the S and the number 20 and hit enter. And it will actually start the directory listing after file number 20. So we're just going to start from the rip on number 1. Here's a list of the directory. We're looking for Star Wars. There it is. The spacebar will pause your directory. It's number 13 that we're going to download. So say you don't want to list the whole 250 files that I got in here. As we did in the message base area, to make that stop, you will hit the letter A for abort. So we're going to proceed with the letter A after it does its garbage collection. Okay, hit A, and it will take you back to the main prompt. So we're going to download file number 13. So if you'd like to download, you just hit the letter D for download. Our protocol is punter. We have unlimited credits. So we're going to D13, hit enter. It does have a function to where you can auto log off when you're done. So if you know you're going to go eat dinner or something, you're downloading a 200 block program, want to take your dog out to take a whiz, you can hit Y for log out. But in this case, I'm going to hit no, N for no, or Y for yes if you choose to log out. So it is searching for the file. There's Star Wars. On the Novaterm side, to get it to download, we will hit the Commodore key and the letter D. That will put us into our download screen. I'm going to type in Star Wars. The BBS will find the file, and then you'll start seeing it send you a bunch of characters. It's going to download. This is at 9600 baud, which is pretty nice when you're trying to get, big files. If you ever wonder what it looks like on the sysop side, this is what it would look like on my side while I'm watching you download. So we got about 20 more blocks to go. And this is probably saving it under partition 0 because I didn't change it. So it's either on 40 or on 0 on my CMD hard drive. So when it's done, you'll go back to the main prompt. And we're done downloading. So I'm going to go ahead and Q to log out. Go to the main menu so I can hit G, which is goodbye. If you want to log out without having to go through the ending screen, it does have a quick log off option right here, which is Q, and it will quickly log you off, but I always like hitting G just so I can see the good old ending screens. And then we'll hit yes for leave the underground. Yes. If you don't want to, you can hit the letter N for no. And there we go. So now we're logged off. We want to test out our file that we downloaded. On the good old Commodore 128, which is what we're using, when we turn on our switch on the side, we will proceed to hold down the Commodore key. I got to use 2 hands, so I won't be able to show you. There you go. And then it will give us our Commodore screen. I'll load $sign and see if we have Star Wars in here. Okay, well let's try our 40 here and see if it'll load up. Yeah, it did save it under my Novaterm directory. And there we go, we got Star Wars. Let's see. There we go. Hope you guys enjoy it, man. That's how you download Star Wars on CBase 3.3.6 with Novaterm.